Hey guys, welcome back. When it comes to the technology, it always adopts the changes, and that's how the world keeps developing. As an IT student, it's utmost important to keep yourself updated with the ever evolving technologies as well as the market trends. Hence, I bring to you the top trending technologies for 2020. Here comes RPA, Robotic Process Automation. As the world is moving forward to use variants of technologies, so automation improved its way to make our work much easier. Automation is any process that is done by a robot without human intervention. The process of automating business operations with the help of robots to reduce the human interventions is said to be robotic process automation. This question always popped on whether RPA uses physical robots. Well, let me tell you that RPA does not replace humans with actual robots, but there are softwares available in market which let you configure automation workflows to automate your business operations. The demand for RPA certification training is going to rise by 150% due to lack of skill set in the market. In today's market, there are RPA vendors such as Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, UiPath, WorkFusion, and many more. And next comes 3D printing. 3D printing is sometimes referred to as additive manufacturing. In 3D printing, one creates a design of an object using software, and the 3D printer creates the object by adding layer upon layer of material until the shape of the object is formed. The object can be made using a number of printing materials including plastic, powders, filaments, and paper. 3D printing technology can be used to create everything from prototypes and simple parts to highly technical final products such as aeroplane parts, eco-friendly buildings, life-saving medical implants, and even artificial organs using layers of human cells. There are a number of 3D printing technologies. The 3D printing technologies that used today are digital light processing, fused deposition modeling, selective layer melting, electronic beam melting, laminated object manufacturing, and more. Companies such as General Electronics, Ford, Hershey's are already innovatively using 3D printing. And here comes the technology which is very useful and important, that's nothing but cybersecurity. With the technology being everywhere, lack of security is a major problem. Cybersecurity refers to the body of technologies designed to protect networks, programs, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. Cybersecurity may be also referred to as information technology security. It is important because government, military, corporate, financial, and medical organizations collect, process, and store the unprotected amounts of data on computers and other devices. A significant portion of data can be sensitive information, whether they can be intellectual property, financial data, personal information, or other types of data for which unauthorized access or exposures could have negative consequences. Few companies that work to make technologies more secure are IBM, Amazon, JP Morgan, and Deloitte. And next, trending and interesting technology is AR and VR. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality adds digital element to a live view, often by using the camera on a smartphone. Examples of augmented reality experiences including Snapchat lenses and game Pokemon Go. Augmented reality applies algorithms and sensors to detect the position of the camera and then superimpose 3D graphics or objects into a user's view via smartphones or glasses or projections. Augmented reality is 25% virtual and 75% real. And coming to virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interfaces, VR places the user inside an experience. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with the 3D worlds. By simulating as many senses as possible, such as vision, hearing, touch, even smell, the computer is transformed into a gatekeeper to the artificial world. In virtual reality, the computer uses similar sensors and math. However, rather than locating a real camera within a physical environment, the position of user's eye are located within the simulated environment. If the user's head turns, the graphics react accordingly. In virtual reality, 75% is virtual and 25% is real. Few companies operating in this field are Microsoft, Facebook, Google, and Hawaii. And next, AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. AI is capability of computer program or a machine to think and learn the smart computer work on their own without needing the commands to be encoded. The goal of artificial intelligence research is to create a computer programs that can learn, solve problems and think logically. The applications of artificial intelligence are endless. The technology can be applied to many different sectors and industries. AI is being tested and used in healthcare industries and also has applications in financial industries, and other examples of machines with artificial intelligence include computers that play chess and self-driving cars. The top companies that are hiring in this department are Google, Facebook, Amazon, IBM and so on. So, these are some of the top technologies that every IT student must be aware. And it's almost like a survival tactic to keep yourself updated with the ever evolving technologies as well as market trends. So, thank you for watching.